Okay, another million hour thinking chair. Let's think. You will help, right? Great. So, we're trying to figure out what farm animal Blue wants to see. And the clues are black and white, grass, and this sound. So, what farm animal could Blue see with black and white, grass, and this sound? Maybe, maybe it's a black and white animal. Yeah, and it can also eat grass. So, what farm animal could Blue see that's black and white and eats some grass and maybe can make this sound?
A cow.
A cow. That's it. Cows are black and white. They eat grass and they moo like this. We just figured out Blue's clothes. Blue, let's go back to the farm and see if we can find your favorite farm animal.